Is Buddhism a religion or a philosophy? Buddhism is neither a religion nor a philosophy. And Buddhism is a religion and is a philosophy. What is a religion? Religion arises from faith. If there isn't faith, there isn't a religion. Faith is important, but it's not the most important. If you have faith and you don't practice it, the faith does not have ground. If you want to build a building and you don't have a foundation, the building will collapse. So Buddhism does not just arise from faith. What you need is your mind. So it's not a religion. So is it a philosophy? Philosophy arises from thinking, from analysis. It's Buddhism a philosophy? Yes, it has moral code in it. It has a system of thinking. But philosophy changes over time. What was said by a philosopher 100 years ago may not be true now. But the philosophy of Buddhism has not changed. It's been the same as when Buddha uttered the philosophy. It doesn't change. Truth doesn't change. So how come you said that Buddhism is a faith, is a religion, and also is a philosophy? It fits in faith and it fits in a system of thought. So where do we put? How do we label Buddhism? Why do you need to label it? Have you labeled enough? Have you stereotyped enough? This is good, this is bad, this is tall, this is short, this is beautiful, this is ugly, this is rich, this is poor. Have you labeled enough in the society? Have you discriminate enough? Stop the discrimination. You don't need it. Why do you always have to label it? What is it? You always have to label things. He's good, he's bad. Can we get rid of the habit of labeling and stereotyping and discriminating? I think we can if we try hard.